this video, we will show you how to claim your WhatsApp username. WhatsApp just released the username for WhatsApp user, and we suggest you to claim it now before someone claim username maybe you like. Okay, to claim your WhatsApp username, make sure you have the WhatsApp for the latest version. Then you can just open your WhatsApp application. And make sure also your WhatsApp is common, not WhatsApp business. And after you open your WhatsApp, you can just click this three dot icon and choose settings. And after that, in here, you can click account. After you click account, you can go to username. Just click username here. And you can click create username. In here, you can using any username you want. For example, where data like this. And after username is available, you can just click save. The username can also be number like this, for example. And if you already have this username, you can have your username later, and you can click your profile by sharing with your username link. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to claim your WhatsApp username, because this is very newest. Okay, you can claim it now before someone just claim your username that maybe you like. And if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.